Computing AUC and ROC curve from multi-class data in scikit-learn, sklearn. I am trying to use the scikit-learn module to compute AUC and plot ROC curves for the output of 3 different classifiers to compare their performance. I am very new to this topic, and I am struggling to understand how the data I have should input to the ROC_curve and AUC functions. For each item within the testing set, I have the true value in the output of each of the 3 classifiers. The classes are N, L, W, T. In addition, I have a confidence score for each value output from the classifiers. How do I pass this information to the ROC_curve function? Do I need to label_binarize my input data? How do I convert a list of class, confidence, pairs output by the classifiers into the Y_score expected by ROC_curve? Thank you for any help. Good resources about ROC curves would also be helpful.
You need to use label_binarize function and then you can plot a multi-class ROC. Example using iris data.
Jo, danke Helmer. Grazie, consider subscribing.